Che tabernacle. Tiri on to work chi dan want some mocanos or dek on chi. Early kid want to hear head chi. Tabernacle verbal went to work or chi was big day up chi. Tabernacle and four was snags darin for chi on fan chi heli. Whose fan Israel of al huli togti. Chilas ti of stuki one Exodus et gevi an en gita dalier di beskriving fanchi vo en to wedding van fanchi tabernacle. Dit was especially omblike war bargi men semet friogde del geneem et en bigedra et elken suswa vat hulikon tot hier di grot work fear ilhim. Hofridi wat Elohim berchi verchi o fan herchi dragbare temple gi sisi bigerti on the under sea folk te wound herchi bigerti is fearful in che person fan Yeshua and itself ten fully verwesentlich work van neer ons almal sam met hom en no way RD is Che forbereiding Che Sabbath Che friwillige of offer Che tabernacle Che construction Che tuwiding under tabernacles Yeshua and Che Novi Jerusalem Che forbereiding Che Sabbath says dailang kanda ar work very for maar opchi 70 dag moed da are fair chuli and helikid and dag fan fulcumeros west stood air van fanchi here elki and what da are work very moed gedud word in and that Moses and Blick of Elohim say hers likid gekri het etia anji folk orgendra vachi herbi befil het herji instructions sweet enchi for holding met Elohim enti che Sabbath enti ruimti che tabernacle Elohim het che Sabbath of sige sit as an speciality fear on smomsi geselskap Pichi escaping Tigeniet, and he had Israel Hira and Hiriner court for the Ti ten Kibuye Furkondik het Che Sabbath Hiriner ons the Ara and Elohim ons scaper and Ferluser is indeed name ons Nachi Tokums Tigi Tid one Vaneer ons Sigeselskap Fear Evi Gan Geniet Che friwillige offer name van Julie visiting and offer gave anche here that elken what kiwilik is in sihatit bring che over offer gave van che here gold and silver and copper and alman what conswardig is under Julie what come and alice na what che here we fell hit There was three manieri on pititra dot chi work fanchi tabernacle material te skank and arbita ferig. Mer as enton good on give for 3,075 ton silver and on give for 2,005 ton bronze is gebruik. Benevens hot and first key material. Varkom dit alles vandaan Bayer daarvan het gekom van wat Israël van de Egypteners kineem het to huli vertrek hit. Daar benevens was de arbeid van spinners, metalworkers en kleremakers, schrijfwerkers, houtnijvers, jewelers, and subuorts nodig. Almal was so gevelig on samti work that Bezalel Aholiab enchi under workers Moses Gefra het omchi folk take care offers ti bring omchi work ti vol bring het chi heligi kis alchi betroki workers net gaves tungerus net sogaan he work omchi noti gawes gaves tigi and almal what some work and good say work. Elohim Hatmans and Row and Besit Van Kosbari Caves Gestel and First Kilindi Heti First Kilindi Caves Gige Nye Almal Het Gis Salti characteristics of the Salti Jepti Van Canis Nye Maar Elken Mut Si Gaves Inchi Master Si Jens Kibruit Who Klein Herchi Cave Oak Al Magli Che Getru Bestuder handel vislik met chi kideri what and whom to where to is. Che tabernacle. Construction and Moses het chi hele work bekik and hule het ti kimaak sus che her befel hit su het hule dit kimaak tu het Moses hule giseen. Water elementi was nodig for chi tabernacle fan chi kimanti omsi fongsi ste verbful. Construction sudra dit kibus is 3 verse kilandi kisti and chi helictum chi tabernacle and chi benehuf ferry chi dagsliki and chi charliksi hul verse kilandi ceremonies some lair on stat Elohim hat sonde Elohim red chi sondar Elohim sal chi koteloses fernietig Elohim first seeker ons fan engoriski.coms Elohim Georgi dax lixi chance het Elohim chi veg gevis waarup hi chi sundar ginadeglik forgevi met chi tuudwan fan en oskul diki chelam fan Elohim wat chi sundi fan chi werel twegnem Echi sartliksi chance te persu endag het Elohim gave his who he sondi ochel helal sel with trui enchi finale of blessing fergi problem fanchi po se gavis chelik dum vas up chi plek Elohim ti anfit te luf en dank baar hid ut ti sprik che tuiding to hen chi vok chi ten fan sem comes order chi herlik hid fan chi here het chi tabernacle for full che book Exodus and digmet chi twenting fan chi electum and si priesters che protagonist fan her chi hofstuk es on get we feel Elohim what alles met si herlik ten vordighed full erdi ten vordighed het forget gan on chi tabernacle and chi vok and in chi shekina che manifestasi fan godilek herlik hit to send chi groups fan chi ark tiber fergesel naman chi si work is chi electum of chi ersti dag fan chi ersti man fan chi 20 jar na huli vertrick it kipti of geri alice is honor urdi grakskit ark islier tafel candelar Kui altar, bronze altar, was and engewi. When we tendel is Aaron and si, Sions and hul presterly, Larry Gikli and Gesaf ber hul sending. Gental kanchi glory, fanchi, tuni elwat, bat inchi, electum, angivit, word verse script, nienchi, fergulde, more, vat, jilig, fan, chigo, katendilar, workouts, chi brillianti scackerings fangi gibordurde gordini met hulbling engeli jata fel anchi recoferaltar clinsteren net good undercant g tweed for hansel chi heligi ark met simis chiki gerubs and darbu chi heligi shikina di sigbari manifestasi fan yothe wow hey si ten vordik hit alice behalve endo be were spilling Fanchi Erlikid, Fanchi Temple, Fan Elohim Enji Hemel, Jegrut, Middle Fun, Fanchi work Fergie Ben Severlosing, under tabernacles. Yeshua Enchi no ve Jerusalem, Enchi board at place give word, at hen honor ons givun, en ek het en groot stem with chi hemel orsi, kik chi tabernacle fan Elohim is by chimen se en he shall be holy one, en holy shall see folk vis en Elohim shall by holy vis as holy Elohim. Johannes 1:14 say literally that Yeshua flees devoured it and tabernacle. In tabernacle was under ons, met Siemens wording at Yeshua, G. Elohim si biggerty were full fishes to send te won. Hey het Emmanuel geword Elohim met os mons. George Heligi GS Blay Elohim vandag by ons woon Corinthians. Marchi dag sal binikort aanbrik banner ons van ans gesig tut ang gesig met ons Elohim sal kan staan en sam met whom sal kan woon en chi connectige tabernacle what he fear ons were for very head chi nu veg Jerusalem. It shall give you vanir chi verlosing plan full to is in Ushed et Eltemal et Gorei is. Elohim had Moses fear Israel befel that huli me in heligdom mak so that ek under huli kan woon and he had in chi heligdom kebli timidi fan si folk jor al huli when 12 inchi wostin was chi simbol fan chi si then wordig hid be holy the arum het Messiah si tabernacle timidi fan ons means like come up Gary he had si ten langs chi tenti fan men si ups gesland so that he under ons kon woon in ons for truth kon ma met si good like character and levy.